Ever since the dawn of man, we have striven for perfection. When we are confronted with our own mortality, we have two choices. We either run or fight. As the world turns, on and on, drifting through an endless void of darkness,
We are gods
is it heading
and
towards a
creatures at the
target?
same time.
The best of us come and the best of us go. Men and women throughout the ages have discovered things others can only dream of. Without these pioneers, we would be nothing. Without these pioneers, we would be dirt on the foot of a dinosaur. We owe these men and women our lives. We owe these men and women our souls. And so we strive to bring them back. We cannot forget. We cannot move on without looking back. These great men will walk among us again. These great women will be the pioneers for a bright future. Together we will walk into death, knowing we did all we could to save the planet for the next generation. And when the last of us walk on this earth, we will know it wasn't all for nothing.
Spiritual Jones.
Ribbit.